Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many car owners think PPF maintenance is just about cleaning and polishing. But in reality, professional PPF care is much more than just a shine. Its value varies greatly across different global markets. For example, in heavily polluted cities in South America and Asia, deep cleaning significantly reduces particle adhesion and restores gloss. Meanwhile, in North America and Europe during winter, maintenance includes adding low-temperature and salt-resistant coatings, which protect against freezing temperatures and road salt corrosion. In arid, dusty regions like the Middle East and Africa, technicians apply sand abrasion-resistant coatings, which effectively slow down film aging and cracking. So what does this mean for distributors? It's simple. Environment-specific services not only justify higher service fees, but also create strong market differentiation. So one PPF maintenance session is never just about looks. It's about longevity, performance, and brand value across markets. So here's a question. Do you think PPF maintenance is more about longer lifespan or better appearance? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.